Hey people of YouTube, 2:45 AM, bored out my tits. Right, here's a question. Keep the mind going. I got these trigger grips, right, for the PS3. The PS3. I didn't buy them, not that sad. But I think they're really good. Don't slip as easy. Good grip. Come off easily if you want them. My friend just keep making fun. Oh, I dropped it. Fuck, where did it go? It's gone. Never find it in here. My friends just call them gimpy. It's like, no. They're free. So yeah. There's literally nothing to do. Well, actually I lie. There's plenty to do. Just don't want to do it. It's so boring as fuck. Really boring. I like my hat. It's warm. It's comfortable. Take my hat off. Hold on. Oh my god, I hit my hair. I need a shower as well. Showers. Anywho. I just made a minute. Fail. That was really weird. I just made a video like 10 minutes ago. 17 minutes ago. I want to be precise. And I'm making another one because I got bored already. After I made the first one. The first one was like 7 minutes long. I think it's still preparing for preview. 93%. That's not even done yet, and I got bored. It's my birthday in November. My friend got me glasses that she found on the street. Pretty good present. No. Get to the chopper. Why did I even say that? Any Hoodoo. I just ramble on about this shit. This isn't even interesting in the slightest. Don't watch this video. Ever. Just don't. Just go. Right now. Just leave. Right now. Go. I'm gonna go. Because this is just rambling on again.